Hi guys, welcome to the short video about crazy accident which we have recorded on our dash cam just a couple of days ago. So here you can see the date and time. I think the time is wrong by 1 hour, so it was 11:42, something like that. Luckily nothing happened really seriously, but there was probably some damage, and maybe the owner of the towing truck or the owner of the bus which have been towed and heavily damaged could be interested into this video, and it could be very interesting to see what can happen when a car is being towed. Every time I've been passing such a towing truck, I've been a little bit afraid, and it looks like it has been for a reason. So I'm going to play that now without any sound. You can see that here, towing truck towing a bus, and everything seems to be fine, but then in a sudden the bus or the front wheels of the bus are pulling to the right side, like from our view. So you can see that here, and probably over time it was then just too much for the front tires, at least for this one here. There was too much friction or something like that. It got too hot or so, and then in a sudden you can see the car coming, and when it's on the same height, I think the red one here, when it's very close, then in a sudden boom. I hope you can see that here. Okay, I go a little bit back again. Now you can see that here in a sudden it was too much, and boom. So the tire exploded. You can see some of the remainders, and then of course towing truck realized what happened, and he was pulling to the right side. Unfortunately, the lane here on the right side, which is like for accidents or so, is not so wide, and because this truck is already very wide, he had to go really far to the right side, and unfortunately then the towed bus hit the concrete wall. It's not so easy to see. I stopped the thing here. Maybe you can see that here on the right side. I mean, of course, the towing truck had to make sure that he's not in the right lane, so he had to pull a little bit over, but unfortunately then the bus hit the concrete wall here on the right side. And so there was not only damage from the exploding front wheel, but also from the concrete wall, unfortunately. There's probably quite some damage. I mean, not a total loss, but quite some damage for sure. And so I'm going to play the whole thing without any interruption from the beginning. You can see the whole story here. I think it's still straight, more or less, and then I don't know what happened. I don't know how they are securing the steering wheel, maybe with some rubber band, or I don't know, and it got loose. So anyhow, it just looks like it turned to the side, and then it started to go downhill. Tire overheated, and then in a sudden boom, exploded, and luckily nothing really serious happened. I mean, nobody got hurt, no other cars got hit or so. That was really quite some luck, but you can see probably quite some damage here done. And that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you're interested into the original footage, maybe you are the owner of the towing truck or of the car being towed, then you can contact me. And still I hope I've been able to show you some interesting thing. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.